Wow, is this the XPAK 400? To think, this was the future, and now it is just rust. We need to check the structural integrity of this bubble canopy. The air intake here has some pretty heavy corrosion. This rust scale on the side panel needs deep treatment. The chrome on the headlight bezel might need replacement. I can't believe it's actually here.
Finding an original XPAK 400 is a miracle. But decades of neglect have taken a heavy toll.
We need to check these air vents for structural integrity. They're completely clogged with rust and debris. Let's see how deep this corrosion goes.
Seeing the real metal beneath all this rust is incredible, but it also reveals some deep pits that we'll need to weld. Significant scaling on the fin base. We're looking at heavy loss here.
I'll trace this template to get the exact curve. Then we'll cut and shape the replacement. The repaired structure is clean and reinforced. New corrosion-resistant fasteners secure the fin. This creates the first major structural transformation. First, we need to carefully remove these old connectors are extremely brittle from years of sitting. We will put them on the workbench for refurbishment. This reveals the rust-covered mounting structures inside. Seeing the XPAK 400 in this state is incredible. We're finally revealing the true futuristic lines of this 1950s concept. Every clean metal surface brings us closer to its former glory.
Let's get this to the shop. These original trim pieces are in pretty bad shape. Let's get these grills cleaned up. There's heavy scaling across the main frame. Let's see if there's any real metal left. Let's see what's going on under here. This suspension has seen better days.
Finding an original XPAK 400 is rare, but restoring its unique suspension is another challenge. Every component must be meticulously cleared of rust and checked for structural integrity before reassembly.
Let's begin the teardown of this XPAK 400 engine. Decades of grime and rust will make this a challenge. We must document every single piece we remove. Let's see what we're working with here. Severe carbon buildup on the pistons. We need to check these critical dimensions. This shaft needs to be replaced entirely. Let's see if we can bring this back to life. No warping at all, this is perfect. Watch that left side bracket.
Looks good, line it up. To restore the fuel system, we start by removing the aged lines. Inside, we discover decades of sediment and oxidation, revealing the original metal structure.